Welcome to 12 Bikes. Guys, ito yung Cannondale Trail SE2. Okay? This is a 29er. Kung mapapansin nyo, ganda ng combination ng tires niya. Yan. Minion DHF 29 by 2.5. Yan. Yung likod niya, High Roller 2 29 by 2.3. So, pwede itong pang trail, down country, at meron itong kasamang dropper post. Yan. Nice. So, maganda rin dito. This is a 12-speed na SRAM SX 952. Yan. And FSA handlebar, Cannondale stem, fabric grips, TRP, hydraulic brakes, and RockShox Air 35. Siyempre, lagi pag mga pag mga Cannondale, parang kasama na lagi is WTB rims and Shimano na hubs and spokes. Yan guys, pag interesado kayo dito, PM us. So ito size small, meron tayong medium, wala nang large. So small and medium na lang meron ito. So kung interesado kayo guys, PM us. Thank you.